Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and today is Vlogmas day 6. Right, yes. I'm trying to make sure I'm in the fun track. So it is day 6 today, and I'm at home. Well, I went on the road this morning and I came back home this evening. It is now 2:54. So what I was planning to do today was do some laundry. Even though it is 3 o'clock, I can still do laundry and stuff like that. So it's a bit of a homey video today. It's not every day I'll be going on the road because I genuinely don't think I have that patience to be on the road every single day. Like, I get tired of being on the road too many times for the week. So I'm going to be doing some laundry and just fixing up my room, because I'm trying to get my room into a much cleaner state. Because at this moment, it's not, my room's not like dirty, but you know, it's not clean enough for me. So as I said, first things first is laundry. I have this hamper here with some laundry to wash. I've already washed some this week, so I have them packed up there. Did I fold them? No, but them up there already, and them just gonna stay up there when we're ready to set them down. So I'm going to be washing this set of laundry. This is a comforter, I think a fitted sheet, and another regular sheet or a pillowcase, I think. But I think what I might do also is the sheets that I have on my bed. When you hear my ice cream truck pass, that's them. After them time now, right? 2:57. Yeah, after them time for pass now. As I was saying, this is my little dirty area over here. So that's my laundry basket, bed. But let's okay guys, so yeah, so the time is now, there we go, I think that changes battery. So it's now 3:30, and I'm going to be doing some editing. This isn't my editing computer, this is my personal laptop for school and all my other personal needs. So I'm checking emails and all of that stuff before I begin. I always try to check my emails every day, personal and school emails. I'm gonna edit. When I'm done editing, I'll get back to you. So guys, break time. I finished editing. So I'm done with that. My sheets are drying at this moment, but I'm not going to do anything more for tonight. I'll finish the rest another day. I'm just going to pack up and just finish and fix up my room and clean up, spread my bed, all of those sorts of things. But people, the caramel popcorn that me and my mom made yesterday, look there. The bowl was full. The bowl did full. Let me say nothing. Okay guys, just got my fresh sheets. They're so warm. I put them in the dryer, as I told you before, because I'm basically night now. Well, not even night, like early night. It's 5:25. So I put them in the dryer, and they're just nice and warm and smell fresh. So I'm going to just put on some sheets on my bed. Is it weird, like, is it weird to put on your sheets at like evening time? No, is there like a specific time? I know that when people make their bed, obviously you wake up in the morning, you make your bed, But when you're cleaning, like, is there a specific time when you have to put on your sheets? Because I don't even know if there is. Like, is there? There isn't for me. Like, whatever time you start clean, you need to put on the sheets and when we're done. That's just me. But I really want to know, like, is there a specific time when you do put on your sheets? If so, please let me know, because there isn't one for me. Except when I put on my sheets the day before, you know, wake up in the next morning, you make your bed before you start the day and all of that type of stuff. But outside of that, when you're clean, you put on your sheet them anytime. To me, that's just me. Sheets are all clean. I think the only things that I did not do today were my comforters. Sadly, wanted to do them. I only have 2 left back to wash, so I'm going to wash those another day, which is fine. I'll wake up early tomorrow morning and I'll wash those. I didn't get to wash them because it's just really late, and the machine kind of takes a little bit long to wash the stuff. So, and plus we came in late and all of that, so I really didn't have the time for it. What I'm going to do now, in here is a little dusty on the floor, you know, previous week or so, you know, whatever hair business and all of them something there. Look at dust under the floor. So I go quickly sweep out. I would vacuum, but that kind of loud right now. I'm just gonna use the broom, do some little sweeping, wipe, and then put on. Oh, I'm definitely doing the chest drop tonight for sure. For sure. If I'm gonna do it tonight, something wrong with me. Like, I'm not gonna do it for sure tonight. And then the last thing I do is make my bed. That's what I'm gonna do now. So we're gonna have a little, you know, montage of me cleaning up. So let's go. Okay guys, I finished. As you can see, bed is all nice and clean, fixed up properly. That's just my laptop right there. I was doing something on my laptop. Floors are all cleaned, and you know, I fixed up. Back on the chest of I just wanted some dusting and just to straighten the books. That's it. I'm gonna have to take my cleaning to the next day, obviously, because I do still have some things to do. I have to clean off my fan, wash my 2 big comforters. As I said, I'm not really taking on the dresser right now and stuff like that, but that's really it. The proper decorating though, like the actual Christmas decorating, will be coming soon in a different Vlogmas vlog, because I haven't actually bought the stuff to decorate my room for Christmas. The only thing I have right now is a wreath on my door. Like, everybody's door in the house has little Christmas things on their doors. I'll show you guys that in a different vlog. At the decorating, the final decorating, I'll show you guys that. But we still do have some small things to put up for the Christmas, something to go in the kitchen, and from my room as well. The rest of my family aren't really like big on putting, like, you know, extra Christmas stuff in their room. I am. So I have a few of the things that I want to put in the room for Christmas, but I haven't gotten a chance yet, and I just want to get exams over before I really do that. One thing though, LED lights are in my room, but I've tried them out when I just put them in the room, but I have never used, like, I've never turned them on like that much, because me and my mom share the same like outlet that it's supposed to be using. I decided, since, you know, like, I cleaned out in here and the floors are so smooth and clean and everything is, like, you know, it's a bit more organized, I thought, you know what, let me turn them on. So let me show you guys what they look like turned on. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is what it looks like with my lights on and everything. Right all around the room. It's literally around the entire perimeter of my room, coming all the way down to the bottom, a little bit down to the bottom right there. Can you see that? Yeah, it stops right there because it was really long. This is just what it looks like at the top. You can change the colors if you want to, but it looks better with the lights off. So that's a light blue. This is like a turquoise. Don't know which color that's. This is green, lime green, red. Whoa, that red is very shocking. Orange. What is yellow? No, this is yellow. The other one before is like yellow orange. I like a brighter yellow. This is the white light. That's like a orange. Pink is so cute. Stop. Now I know the reason why I have a pink room, because my room now actually does look pink. Like, you can see, like, I look pink. This is like a light pink and it's like reflecting off of the walls. This is really pretty. Anyways, now that like my room feels like it's getting complete, it's getting there, like, it's so cute. Anyways, so now I'm going to bathe now that I'm done with everything, because mom was live for a little while and I was waiting on her to finish and stuff. So I'm gonna bathe, make some dinner, and then I'm going to come and watch a show. So guys, it is 9:55, basically almost 10 o'clock. Is so long, maybe go down into the night. Yeah, so obviously, as you can see, finished up everything that I wanted to finish up today. I have a few things to do tomorrow, but that's okay. That will be in tomorrow's vlog, or be in the vlog for the next day. So it was a good evening. Even though I went on the road, I'm not too tired, which is good. And now I'm on my computer a little bit. I'm just, you know, browsing on some stuff online, and I'm also listening to some music. Once I'm done with my laptop, or what I'm doing on my laptop, I'm going to watch a reality show that I've been watching lately, Love is Blind. I don't know if anybody has watched it, but I've been quite obsessed with it lately. When I really do get into it, I really sit down and I watch it. I'm at the end of season 2 at this moment. I have like 1 or 2 episodes to finish season 2, and then I'm going to jump into season 3 tonight as well. As you can tell, yes, I do go to bed a bit late when I'm watching these things. When I'm not watching them, I go to bed a little earlier. When I'm watching a show, I do go to bed a little later. So I'm going to, you know, sit down and rest up and watch that show tonight, and just finish it up and go forth whenever I'm tired. I'll finish it another day or something like that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, continue to, you know, spread your love and support. And I'm glad you guys have been enjoying the Vlogmas so far. I've seen your comments. I've answered a couple of them as best as I can. I'm not as fast as mom, but I answer as best as I can when I can. And I thank you guys so much for your comments and your love and your positivity and support so far on my little Vlogmas journey. Even though it's just day 6, but I'm pushing through. I have a lot to do coming up for the rest of the week going into next week, because I have exams. So you may not see me for maybe a vlog or 2. Mom will probably either do a vlog or she'll do a live or something like that, just to pitch in for those days that I don't get to record anything. But once exams are over, we're back again. Going on the road, going places, decorating, doing all of these things coming up to the Christmas until Christmas Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in Vlogmas Day 6.